Hello everybody, I wanted to do a short video here. I wanted to get outside today and do a tire video on that, putting one on the rim and all that for you guys. Had some other plans, but the wind is so horrible today and I'm not going to get out and do it. Yesterday wasn't much better. So I figured I'd be in the shed here and do a short video on a Harbor Freight electric chainsaw. It's a 14-inch electric chainsaw, 120 volts it runs on. Got it, we've used some already. Surprisingly, it cuts pretty good for being a cheap chainsaw, especially electric. It's an organ. Double guard bar on it here. It's supposed to be low kickback. It's not actually that bad for the price you pay for it unless you're going to be doing a lot of cutting. I wouldn't get it, but if you're just doing like limbs or something like that, or cutting up some small boards, it works great. It's a Chicago electric power tools. Got the 2-year warranty with it also, because I know it's not going to last 2 years, and I'll go back, I'll pay the $20 or whatever for the extended warranty, and I'll have a new saw again. But overall, I'd be out today showing you on it, but like I said, the wind's like horrible out, so ain't much I'm going to do outdoors today. All I need to do is get out there and have another heart attack in the cold weather. But like I said, it's 120 volts, 9 amp, 14-inch bar on it. The lighting's not real good in here, so. Has the little guard up here for it, so you don't get your hand into the chain. Has the bar cover here. But for what it is, it's not a bad little saw. Like I said, if you're just doing small trimming jobs or something right around your house, it works great. But so ain't a whole lot more to say on it. Don't forget to like my videos, subscribe, and have a great week, everybody. Bye.